Welcome to LabLots. We'll begin with the system admin setting up the lab, first with creating the departments. Under Manage Departments, the admin can add the department names to the system. Under Manage Instruments, the admin can add instruments associated to each department. Additionally, this page allows for changing the instrument department or updating the instrument name. Under Manage Reagents, the admin can add new reagent types to an appropriate instrument. The admin will define the number of reagents per box, like number of bottles, or individual components like a cartridge. To ensure effective inventory reporting, each reagent type will need to define the threshold for the number of reagent boxes available to be alerted when the number falls under the threshold. If the reagent is a box of bottles that are used on an instrument for multiple specimens like a chemistry analyzer, the discard type will be single, as we will use LabLots to capture each bottle being discarded. If the box will be discarded after all of the reagents are consumed like a box of PCR cartridges, the discard type will be box. Under Add Reagent Lots, any user will search for the reagent name of the reagent, receiving a new lot via optional filter criteria to narrow the available options. The user will scan the reagent lot barcode into the reagent lot field, enter the reagent expiration and the number of boxes received. Under Set Lot QC, the user will scan the reagent lot barcode into the field. If, in the very rare circumstance, different manufacturers have a duplicate barcode, the user will then select from the drop-down the appropriate reagent name. The reagent lot QC status will display, and the user will click QC Done. Under Discard, the user will scan the reagent lot barcode when discarding the single reagent container like a bottle or the empty reagent box. Additionally, if different manufacturers have duplicate barcodes, the user will select the appropriate reagent name from the drop-down. The browser needs to be refreshed for a new reagent lot having its first discard. The current number of discards and the remaining boxes display. The user will click Discard when ready. Under Deactivate Lot, the user will scan the reagent lot barcode when a lot is expired or fully consumed. Additionally, if different manufacturers have duplicate barcodes, the user will select the appropriate reagent name from the drop-down. The user will click Deactivate. LabLots provides real-time analytics for labs to understand the reagent inventory trends for their entire lab. From a bar chart showing the average reagent ordering for each calendar month over all years to the reagent ordering for the last 12 months, plus a bar chart that will look at the percent difference for each of the last 12 months compared to the historical average for that month, giving labs insights into their current trends. Additionally, the charts can be clicked on to display an easy-to-read expanded view. Real-time analytics are also available for each reagent type, giving the reagent inventory trends for a specific reagent type. An example would be point-of-care RSV testing to gain insights into seasonal changes in testing demand. The same analytic bar charts are available for the specific reagent type, as previously seen for the entire lab. Unfortunately, there will always be wasted reagent due to reagents expiring prior to use for testing, resulting in some of a reagent lot to be unusable. This report will show the user the total number of reagent boxes wasted based on filter criteria. Here, a particular type of reagent can be reviewed for wasted reagents, and there is a bar chart to show the month and year data point where there was a waste of reagent. When an admin sets the reorder alert threshold for a reagent type, when the number of boxes for that reagent type is less than or equal to that threshold, the reagents to reorder report will display that action is needed and display the reagent data to the user for ordering insights. Users are able to use filter criteria to review the total number of remaining reagent boxes. If a user wanted to see the remaining boxes for a RSV testing kit, this report can be used to display the remaining boxes. The ability for a user to review the current status and details for a given reagent type and the associated reagent lots has this easy-to-navigate report. The user can filter down to find the specific reagent type and then review the reported lot status data, such as QC details, received date, received by, reagent expiration, boxes received, active status, discard type, and even have the ability to deactivate an expired lot from this page. The lot reports provide quick real-time reports for users to see reagent lots that have an active status but are expired, therefore needing to be deactivated, upcoming reagent lots about to expire in 14 or 30 days, active reagent lots with only 5 or 10 boxes remaining, and reagent lots that have been received but are not yet active because they have not had QC in the previous 7 days. These standard reports provide a quick and easy way for lab reagent inventory managers to have quick view of key inventory data. In the upper right of each page in LabLots, the training button will be available to the library of instructional videos for all users in the use of the LabLots system. We hope you find LabLots to be a beneficial partner in laboratory reagent inventory management.